Okay, welcome to the next installment of Blender, guys. So, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be making a Halo kind of loop light, if you will. So, what I'm going to do to begin with, let's go onto the render tab, change our EV to cycles, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and I'm going to delete the default cube. So, to begin with, we're going to go ahead and add, let's go with a cylinder. We could go with a cylinder with this. I mean, you could use a circle if you wanted to, but cylinders are pretty good. I'm just going to go ahead and just scale this out a little bit. We can also resize in this corner as well, if you guys can see that. But I'm just going to go ahead and remove the screencasting keys just for 1 second. Because if we add and then we go across, we can kind of do some alterations here. So vertices is 32. I believe that's around the outside. So we might want to improve that to make this look a little bit smoother as well. So you could go for about 89 if your computer can handle it. You know, I'll go for 82 on this one. So let's get the screencasting keys back on there. And let's go ahead and go to the edit mode. You're going to want to take the top face right here and take the bottom face right here, press delete, and and you want to go with faces. So you've got this nice little cylinder. Press A to select everything, S to scale down, and what essentially you're going to be doing is, let's go for E for extrude, leave it where it is, S to scale, so we're going inwards, and then we're going to go E for extrude again, leave it where it is, S to scale downwards, just around the outside of the light. Now, totally up to you whether you want to do this in glass or silver. So once we have this inner bit selected right here, what we're going to do, go to material, we'll click new. This material is going to be the outer material, and then we'll press plus, and this material right here that we're going to make, which is new, is going to be the inner. So the inner is what we already have selected, so we'll click assign for this one. Principled BSDF, change it to an emission. I'm going to have some pink lights on this one, change it up a little bit. And when we render this, you can now see that this is pink. So, let's go to object mode real quick. I'm going to go for the outer one as being kind of a kind of rose gold. So let's go with a nice little rose gold. You're going to want to change the Principled BSDF to the metal one. Was metallic? Yeah, there we go. Metallic on the outside. We've got this nice little rose gold. You can rough this up. You can have this nice and clean. What I would do is right click and shade smooth for this piece. Probably have it something like that. So the next bit you want to do is add, and we'll go to cylinder, scale this down, right click shade smooth, and you want to scale this up and then scale it down again. So the idea of this is these are the wires that are going to hang it to the ceiling. So we're going to go and take this, press new, and make this black. Let's go 7 to heaven. We've got the pole in the middle that we've just made, so let's press G, and we'll bring this to the side, just as such. And then we're going to press G just to align it just a little bit. So you want it just within there. And then I'm going to press G just to bring this up. So that's one piece that we have. If we go 7 to heaven again, we can go with Shift D, duplicate it over. Just put that on the other side. Make sure that it doesn't clip or it's not hanging out. And then we can take these two, Shift D, click, leave them where they are. And then we'll go R for rotate, and you want to rotate this on Z axis right here, and we'll go 90. So this, imagine is your ceiling. So let's go add, and we'll just add a plane right here. We'll just, just scale this out so you guys can see what's going on. Let's press G, bring this up. I'm going to get rid of the original lamp that I have in here because we don't need that. select everything that you've just made. Let's press G, bring this up. Place this in the ceiling, how far you would like it. And then we're going to go ahead and just make a floor as well, so you can see that nice little light refraction coming through. So if we click the ring itself that we've just made, let's try and get this at a better angle so you guys can see. So we've got that bits right there. And then I can do one from the top as well, which will show you the base. So if I go on to the render, let's take away those screencast keys. That's pretty annoying. Right, so we've got the render on this side, and then we've got the render coming through on this side. Now you'll notice that it's not exactly strong enough to make kind of somewhat of an impact of an emission. So we can go with strength, and you can just go ahead and turn that up. These kind of lights will be great for clubs if you're making a gameplay or something like that and you need some funky lights. You can also change the colour on these lights as well. So the inner part, we can change this to a nice blue, change this to a green, change this to an orange, a yellow, a red, pinks, purples, whatever you would like. So yeah, this is the lighting tutorial for today. Nice little quirky one for you. It kind of gives a lot of, I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of like soft edges. That's the only way that I can explain it. It's the shadows on this are quite soft. So yeah, if you guys like this tutorial, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Please like, subscribe, you know, share, do all that jazz, and yeah, see you later. Bye.